Hello, in front of me I've got Throne and Liberty. In this video I'll show you how to claim weekly rewards. In the beginning, go to menu and go to weekly missions. Here we've got the weekly missions for World, Co-op Dungeons, Guild, PvP. Make sure to finish those missions before time runs out. For example, last week's missions, we've got 6 days and 17 hours. To claim rewards, press on the question mark icon. Or you can select this. Then select claim reward. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.